Hi, welcome to Serra mobile application tutorials. My name is Madhav from Agile Rise Software. I am support engineer for Serra mobile application. In this video, we have explained how school management or admin or teachers can access this application. This application is very easy to use and you don't require any technical skills. In case if you have any doubts, you can reach out to us at any point of time. We have email support, chat support and phone support. Our contact details are flashed at the end of this video. And we have made another video for Serra preschool parents. That link will be sharing with you. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to demo session of Serra admin features. These are the list of topics covered in the demo session. First four topics like creating class, entering student data, creating user profile and configuring email for your school. All these are one-time activity done by school admin, and rest of the topics mentioned here is the features or the functionalities of Serra admin. You just need to spend few minutes to watch the complete demo. Once you are done, you can get started. No special IT skills are required to use the solution. It's relatively very easy to use. This is the link for Serra admin, www.advancedpreschoolsadminpanel.com/Serra admin. Each Serra branch should have admin login and authorizer login. To get username and password for admin and authorizer, please feel free to call this below mentioned number, or you can write an email to salesandsupport@inagitech.com. You will get the username and password for admin and authorizer. Admin can be any branch head, or you can nominate any teacher to perform day-to-day activity. And authorizer is the person who can oversee the activities done by the admin or teachers, and all the notifications has to be approved by the authorizer. Only then it will be sent to the parents. If you go to this link, you will see this page. Enter the username for admin and password. And this is the home page. Let's see the first topic, which is creating class. First thing you should do is go to settings, and you will see four links related to class. When you say class detail, it is combination of batch, program and section. You need to start creating from section and then program and then batch and finally the class. I'll show you the demo data so that you can relate better. So this is the demo data I am going to use, and when you say program, it's pre-nursery, nursery or K1 or K2, and the batch is classified as morning or late morning, and the section is straightforward, which is A section or B section, and the class can be any name of your choice like Lotus or Blossoms. When you say class, it is combination of program, batch and section. Let me show you how we can enter this data into our application. First, click on this section, click create class section. In the section we have A, B or C, so I will create A section. So you click on back, so A section is created. Likewise, you create other section B, click on back. So now you have A section and B section. So creating class section is done. Now you go to class program, click on create class program. The class program we have pre-nursery, nursery, K1 or K2. For example, I am creating pre-nursery. So it is there. So click on create. Go back, you will see pre-nursery class created, program created. So likewise you create for nursery K1 and K2. Next is batch. Batch we have morning or late morning. So Let me create morning batch. Click on back. So this is the batch we have created, and if you want you can create one more batch saying late morning. So you can see late morning. So we have created section, we have created program, and we have created batch. The final one is creating class. Click on create class. I am going to create a class by name blossoms. You will see the drop down for batch, program and section. Previously created records will be displayed under this drop down. So if you click on batch drop down, you will see morning and late morning. We just created these two. And similarly for program, we have created pre-nursery and nursery. And for section, you will see A and B. So when you say class blossom, you can choose which batch it belongs to. So let's say morning, and the program is pre-nursery, and the section is A section. So this class name blossoms denotes it belongs to morning batch, and it belongs to pre-nursery program, and it belongs to A section. So if you click on create, you will see the class name blossoms has been created. Likewise, you can create for all this. The next topic is entering student data. You should click on this student information link, and you will see this section, and this is the place where you can have all your student information. You can click on this link, which is create student information system, to create each record manually, or there is one more option, CSV file upload. You can click on this to upload the bulk data. Let me start creating each record manually. Click on this, and you will see the list of fields to be filled up, and for ease of use I am going to copy paste my data. First is student name, and you can select the date of birth, February 3rd 2012. Select the gender, mother's name, mother's phone number, email ID, father name is Ajay, phone number, this is the emergency number, emergency contact number, and it can be the same number of fathers. Select the academic year from the drop down, and enter the full address, and select the class name. Click on create, and you will see this record has been created. If you click on manage essays, you will see the new record, Sanvi, mother's name, father's name. You will see the complete detail here. Likewise, you should create each record manually. Now let's see how to upload bulk of students record. First, you need to click on download CSV format, and you will see this column headings. Expand to see the column headings, and first save the file as .csv format, otherwise it will not accept. Ensure it is .csv. Save it on desktop, student info. Click on save. It will throw you some warning message. Click on continue. and close this. It will ask to save it. Click on save, again click on continue. Now you go to the desktop and this is the file. Click on this and start filling. Do not leave any empty space. You should start filling up from the next line. I am going to enter this last record. So name of the student is Varun and date of birth format. So it's February 12th, 2011. 12 Feb 2011. Gender male. Mother's name Deepthi. Mother's phone number. Mother's email ID. Father's phone number. Father's email. Address 1/8. You need to enter the complete address. First stage. This is the address of the student. Academic year 201617. Emergency contact number. And remember, the class name should be the valid class name. It should be one of those displayed in the system. It should be either of these three. We have created blossoms, so we will use blossoms here. And click on save. Again click on continue. I am using Mac system for this demo. If you are using Windows, the warning message will be slightly different. So all you need to ensure is you should save the file in .csv format. Otherwise the system will reject the upload. Now try to close. Again click on save. Click on continue. It's there in the desktop. So now we will try to upload that file, CSV file upload, and click on choose file. So this is the file we just saved, student info. Click on open. So now it's been attached. So click on CSV file upload. It says one row updated successfully. You can validate by clicking here. See, this is the record we have uploaded through .csv file. That's how we should do it. So if you have a bulk of student record, you keep filling up. One second. So you keep filling up all those student record in the next line. Don't leave any empty space or empty row. You should keep filling up the student records and ensure you are entering the correct class name. Do not leave any record blank. So you should fill up all the details like date of birth, gender, mother's name, entire record. It should be in place. Only then you will have the complete record in the student information. Next topic is creating user profiles. Go back to the application. Click on preschool and you will see this link, user profile. Click on that and click on create user profile. For each student you need to create user profiles. The username and password created here has to be shared to the respective kids' parents. With this username and password, parents will log into the Serra mobile app to see the regular updates. So now click on create user profile. So I am going to create a user profile for the first student, which is Sanvi Ajay. The username you can simply give the name, or you can use the mobile number or email ID. Username can be any of these things. For example, I am going to give us Sanvi user, and you should enter the password. Again, enter the same password, and this is the student name. Remember, if you have similar names in the class, you need to differentiate with their last name. Like we have similar students like Sanvi Ajay and Sanvi Amir, both belong to same class, Blossoms. In this case, while entering student name, you should enter with last name or the initial. Sanvi Ajay. Because if you are sending an individual notification to a student, then you will not know to whom you are really sending. So that's the reason we are asking you to enter with the last name or the complete initial. So let's select the class, phone number, and this is the bus profile. We will see this in separate video. For now you can leave this as blank. You need to enter the parent name, okay, at gmail.com. So click on create. So now this user profile has been created. You need to send this information to the parents. You need to basically communicate this username and password to the parents. So this is the username we have created. Likewise, you need to create for all the students. In this case, you have similar names, but they belong to different class. So you can simply enter Varun. You don't have to enter the last name. Only if they belong to the same class, you need to differentiate by entering with their last name. Otherwise, by just entering the first name will do. Now let's see how to configure email for your school. Go back to application, click on settings, click on email setup. You need to set up an email for your school, because whenever parents get notification, they will also get same message in email. So when they log into the email, they will see that the message has come from the preschool. So click on create email, enter the branch name, from email id, you should use your email id, and this is the authorizer email id. So all the communication that are sent to the parents is also marked CC to this authorizer. So once you click on create, so it's done. Email has been set up successfully. I will show you how it will look like if parents log into their email account. So this will look like this: Serra Preschool Bangalore JP Nagar, because this the JP Nagar is the branch you have set it up while configuring the email ID. See, Serra JP Nagar. This is just an example of circular that has been sent earlier. You will understand much better when you watch the video till the end. For now, this is just the example, and if the parents click on this, they will see the title of the message, and to know the details, they can log into the mobile app. Now, the one-time activity has all been set up. Now the admin is good to go, and he can start using the application to communicate with parents. He can start sending newsletters, create events, share the meal calendars, post the questions, and he can send notifications at school level, class level, and individual student level. He can upload photos and videos, and he can also see how many users has been logged into the app and how many are pending, meaning yet to log into the app. So those kind of details he can start using it. Now let's see how to use the available features in the admin. First one is sending newsletters, circulars and weekly updates. Go to this application, click on preschool and click on newsletter, and click on create newsletter. Select the year, select the month July, and title for the newsletter. I am going to enter circle time and music, and click on choose file. you need to attach the newsletter. Newsletter can be in the format of PDF or image. Click on open, and you select the class to whom the newsletter has to be sent. In this example, I am going to select all class. So basically, it will go to all class. So all the parents will receive this newsletter. So once newsletter has been created, you will see this view screen. You will see this view screen here, and I will show you how it will look in the mobile. So basically, you will get some notification for the newsletter, and clicking on the notification, it will direct to the mobile app. So since we have sent the newsletter, we should click on this section, and we have sent the newsletter for July month. So click on July, and this is the newsletter title: Circle Time and Music. So if parents click on this, they will see the complete details in the PDF. They can also download by clicking on this button, and yeah, that's it. So click on back, and this is another newsletter. So if they click on this, they will see the details of this newsletter. So likewise, you can send newsletters month wise for June, July, August. So you can keep on sending the newsletters in the format of PDF or any image also. Now let's see how to send a circular. Again, click on preschool, click on circulars, create circulars, enter the date of the circular, and the title for the circular I am going to enter as excursion, and enter the details of the circular. So yeah, parents. So this is the message I am going to send as a circular. So dear parents, during Puja vacation, our school will conduct an education come excursion trip to Manali. So again, I am going to send it for all class. So if you click on create, you will see the circular has been sent to all parents. So if you, this is the notification for the circular. So if I click on the notification, it will redirect to the app. So I am clicking on the circular section, and this is the circular we have entered, dear parents, during Puja vacation. So this is how the parents can see the details of the circulars. Next is creating weekly updates. Click on preschool, click on weekly updates, and click on create weekly updates. So select the year and select the month. So within a month you can keep sending weekly updates. So for example, I am going to enter the title as I understand my body for this weekly update. So I am going to attach the PDF with the details. I am going to send it for all class. In case if you are going to send only for lotus or blossoms, then it can be accessed only by the kids belonging to the specific class. So in this case, I am going to send it for all class. Click on create. So PDF has been updated. So here the parents will click on weekly updates. So we have sent it for July, so we will click July. So this is the title, I understand my body. So if the parents click on this, they will see the complete information, and they can also download by clicking on this button. So far we have seen how to send newsletters, circulars, weekly updates. Newsletters and for weekly updates you can attach PDF or an image, but for circulars you can only create with simple text. Now let's see how to create events. Click on events, click on create events, enter the date of the event and just enter the title for the event. Say for example group fitness dance fit, and enter the time. If you drag this button, and for minutes you can drag the below bar. So for now I am entering it as 11, and if you want to edit you can also click here and edit to 12 or 10 like that. So I will keep it as 11. So if you click on create, so the event has been created. So click on back button, you will see group fitness dance fit has been created. And for parents, if they click on this event section, they will see the group fitness and dance fit, and the date and time of the event has been displayed here. Now let's see how to create a meal calendar. Click on preschool, click on meals, and click on create meals. So you can select the date. Say suppose 10th August, I am selecting as 10th, month as August, and year. So you can enter the detail menu. For example, I am going to enter as apple juice and mango fruit. On the time I am going to enter it as 11:15. Likewise, you can create for each day, and for parents. So if they click on this events, meals and holidays section, and they can navigate to meals by clicking on this tab, and they can see the entire menu for the week. Now let's see how to create a holiday calendar for the entire academic year. So click on holidays. So basically you can create a list of holidays in the academic year upfront, and you can share with the parents. Say for example, I am going to create a holiday for August 15th. Month August. And click on create. So likewise for each holiday you should create for that particular day, so that the parents can know the list of holidays in the academic year. And for parents, if they click on this, if they navigate to holiday tab, they will see for the month of July what is the holiday, and they can click on this right arrow and they can see for the month of August what are the holidays. Let's see the parents response for optional parent teachers meeting. So click on invitation answer, and you will see this parent has said no. So likewise you can see the response of all the parents, and based on their feedback you can plan the event. Let's see what is invitation question and invitation answer. There are two links here, invitation question and invitation answer. Basically, if you want to conduct any survey, you can post a question to parents asking them to respond. So based on their response, you can plan your event or meetings. Say for example, I am going to post a question by clicking here saying there is an optional parent teachers meeting. So click on create event, optional parent teachers meeting. Coming Wednesday, there is an optional parent teachers meeting. Are you willing to join? So if you click for all class, so it will be sent to all parents. And for parents, if they click on this weekly updates and participation reply, and if they click on this participation reply tab, they will see the question posted saying coming Wednesday there is optional parent teachers meeting, are you willing to join? And in case if they click on this no button, the school will get the response of this particular parent, and basically based on the response given by all the parents, you can organize the meeting. Now let's see about send notification feature. This is most important and frequently used feature because you can send notification at school wise, class wise and student wise. At the very beginning I showed you that each Serra branch should have two logins. One is admin login, the other one is authorizer login. Admin will create notification and authorizer will approve the notification. Only upon approval the notification gets sent to respective parents. Now let's see how to create a notification. You can also click on this preschool notification. This is in dashboard, or you can click on this notification and click on preschool notification. You will see three tabs. This is for school level communication, and this is for class level communication, and this is for particular student. Now let's see, give a title for the notification. For example, rainy day. And I'm going to put a message saying, dear parents, school is closed due to heavy rain. If you have any image, you can attach, select the date. If you have any image or PDF, you can attach. And for example, I am going to attach a image for rainy day. Click on create. It's taking time. Because I have uploaded the image, so it says 60% complete. Okay, now it's uploaded. And you will see this message saying notification has been sent for approval. Click on OK. Now I will log out as admin, and now I am going to log in with authorizer. This is my authorizer user ID, and if I click on login, I will see this panel which is completely different from the admin panel. So if I click on preschool notification, I will see this message. Now if I find this message is relevant, I can click on this icon, which means it is approved, so it will be sent to the parents. If I want to update anything, you can click on this icon and update the message, or you can view this to see the complete message. In case if you find this is completely irrelevant, you can simply click on delete so that it won't get sent to the parents. I am clicking on approve, which means this communication is sent out to all parents. Now as a parent, I will get a notification like this saying school closed. If I click on this, it will take me to the application, and if I click on notification, under general tab, I will see this message saying the school remain closed due to heavy rain. And if there is any image, that will be displayed here. Suppose if you want to send a communication only to a particular class, I will show you how you can send this. Click on preschool notification, and you should come to the second tab, which is preschool class. So give a title of the communication. Tomorrow is the red dress day, so I want to communicate only to this particular class saying tomorrow is the red dress day. For ease of use, I am going to copy paste the message. And place is Bangalore, enter the date, If you have image or PDF, you can attach that. I am going to attach one image, and from the drop down you should select for which class this message is applicable. Suppose if I want to communicate to all the kids of Lotus, I should select the Lotus drop down and click on create. The message is being uploaded. As you could see in the left corner, 82% has been uploaded. Yeah, now you will see the message notification has been sent for an approval. Just click on OK. Log out as admin and now log in as authorizer. So, authorizer is the different person. He has the maximum authority. So click on login and click on preschool notification. Now he will see this message, and similarly he can review the message if he or she feels this message is relevant, so they can approve it. And it's been sent out to the respective class parents. And for parents, it will be shown as a notification on their mobile. So if they click on this notification, it will go into the app. So if they click on notification and under the class, they will see this particular communication, red dress day, and the image and the message what we have typed. Let's see how you can send notification to a particular student. So click on notification, click on preschool notification, click on the last tab which is preschool student. And some of the typical example is if a kid is not well, you can use this to communicate to that particular parent, or if you want a particular kid to be dressed up as doctor for fancy dress, you can use this to send a notification to that particular parent. So in this example I am going to use fancy dress. For ease of use I am going to copy paste the message. And the date is 13th. So click on this to attach image if you have any doctor dress, and select the class from the drop down. So I am going to select the class Blossoms and the student name is Sanvi. So if I click on create, so it will display the message saying notification has been sent for approval. So click on OK, log out, and the authorizer will log in. So he will click on this link, and once he feels this message is relevant, he can approve. Now the message has been sent to that particular parent, and as a parent he will get the notification like this. So if they click on this, it will go to the app. So under notification, so they will click the last tab which is parent, and they will see that message fancy dress, and they will see the image also and the detailed message of what it is and when it is. Now let's see how to upload photos and videos in Serra app. Go to admin, click on preschool. Now you can see this link photos. You click on that, and there will be two links. There are two ways of uploading a photo. You can upload using our server by clicking here, but we recommend to use our server only if the image size is too small. Here the space is limited and it will be charged if you exit the storage. The second link, which is photos using Flickr, is fully free and you can upload unlimited photos. They will not charge you even if you exceed the storage space. The performance will also be very good. The parents can quickly access the photos which are being uploaded here. To know how to use Flickr accounts, please write a mail to sales and support@energytech.com, or you can call us at 9036005278 or 904302631. We will send you the simple document explaining step by step process to upload photos using Flickr account. Now I will show you how to upload photos using our server. Click on create photos, give a title, Christmas Day celebration, this is the example. So I am going to attach a photo from my local desktop. So this is the photo, and from the drop down select to which class it has to be sent. In this example I am going to select all classes so that all the parents can view the photos, and if you click on create, it will get uploaded. Now the parents can click on this media, and this is the photo we have uploaded. If they click on this, it will zoom and parents can view better. And this is the another photo which has been uploaded earlier. Now let's see how to upload videos. Click on preschool, click on videos link. Again, for videos you have two ways of uploading it. First is by using our server. Here the space is limited. We request you to use our server only when the video size is small. For example, 1 minute video. If you exceed the storage quota, it will be charged proportionately. But I would suggest to use YouTube server to upload the videos. It is fully free and the storage is unlimited. First I will show you how to upload videos using our server. Once it is done, we will move on to see how you can upload videos using YouTube server. First click on create video. Give a title for this video. And click on this, attach MP4. Only MP4 format is allowed. And again click the class you want to send this video to. In this example I am choosing all class so that all parents can view this video. And once you click on create, the video gets uploaded. And for parents, if they click on this media and if they click on this tab, videos tab, and they will see this video, and they can click on this play button and video gets played. That's it. Let's see how to use YouTube server. Click on videos using YouTube. Click on create YouTube videos. And I assume that you have a video uploaded in YouTube already. If not, after this video I will show you how to upload a video in YouTube and then how to link that video into our application. For now, let's assume you already have a video. So you simply copy paste the YouTube link and come to our application, give a name and paste the link and click on create. So the video gets uploaded and it can be accessed by the parents. If you don't have video already uploaded in YouTube, let's see how to upload it. For that you need to have your Gmail account. You should sign in with your Gmail account and go to YouTube and click on sign in. I'm going to use my Gmail account, which is preschool connect. And you're already here. So now click on this upload button. And ensure from this drop down you select unlisted. Unlisted means nobody else apart from Serra parents can see this video in YouTube. If you select this public option, even the parents or anybody, any outsider can also search the videos in the YouTube. So I would suggest to use this unlisted option. So click on this and click on, I am going to upload this video. See, it's getting processed. it's all 95% done. So click on done, and this is the link. Copy this link and come to the application. Click videos using YouTube, create, title for the video, and paste that link and click on create. Now let's see what is registered users and pending users. Go back to the application, click on preschool. You will see two links, registered users and pending users. Before that, for a minute, we will go to user profile. And these are the username password we have created for parents to log in and see the updates. Of which, if you want to find out whether all the parents have already logged in at least once into the app, you need to go and click on registered users. It will show the list of parents who have already logged into the device. If you take this username Rahul, it's showing twice because he has logged into both Android as well as iOS. If you click on this view button, it will show he has already logged into iPhone once as well as in Android. If you take this user, he has already logged into iPhone once, so which is fine. And to find out the pending users, this will list the user who has not started using the app at all, meaning he might have downloaded the app but not logged into the app at least once in either of the device. So in such cases, you need to call them up and find out whether they face any issues or not. If there is no issues, you can ask them to log in and see the regular updates. In case if they have any issues, you can direct such users to us. We will resolve the issue immediately. Now let's see what is forms link. So if you click on forms, you will find enquiry form and career form. For example, if I go back to the mobile app, if the parents or any prospective kids parents can download the app, and within that, if they click on enquiry and if they post any questions, for example, need to know about the admission dates for this academic year, then that will come to the admin, and admin can go here and click on enquiry form and see that particular user has posted this question, and you have all the details like the user's phone number and the email ID, so you can respond by calling them, or you can send an email stating the academic year date. Now let's see about career form. Say for example, if any interested parents want to apply for a job in the preschool, or anyone who has downloaded the app can also apply for the job with Serra preschool. They can simply click on career and they can fill out all the details. They can select the city, select the preferred location, and they can give their email ID, contact number. Finally, they can attach their CV here. And for admin, they can simply click on career form and they can see who has applied for this job. And if you click on view button, you will see the complete details. What was the work experience, previous employer, and the detailed resume has also been attached. So if school feels this candidate is worth enough to appoint, they can call or write an email to them. You have come to the end of the demo session. We have covered all the features that have been listed under preschool. In case if you are having daycare facility also, you can click on daycare and use the same features. Only difference is you don't have to create a class for daycare. You can straight away start creating user profiles, and you can start communicating with the parents. Thank you for watching.